Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Patel. I just wanted to go over this week's assignment with you. So first I wanted to mention a few dates. The last day for seniors will be Wednesday, May 27th, so about a week earlier than everybody else. Also, there's no school this Friday or on Monday because teachers will have their professional development. Okay, so last week we talked about credit cards, and this week we're going to be talking about loans. So first you're going to think about who you would loan money to and how you would determine who you would loan money to. Like, what are things that you think about before giving money? Next, you're going to learn some terms. So you're going to watch this video that I've highlighted here, and you're going to use these words right here: monthly payment, principal, term of the loan, and interest rate. These are all words that revolve around loans, and match them up. So the video will help you. It's very short. Next, you're going to read about the differences between credit cards and loans, and then you're going to read about two different types of loans and come up with some examples for why people would get some personal loans. Next, you're going to consider an example. Jane Doe is applying for a personal loan. So here in this box you have the ad for the loan, and she decides to apply. So there's the ad, and then this is her application. And then there's some questions down below. Finally, you're going to learn about something called payday loans. They can be dangerous. There are more payday lenders than there are McDonald's. Actually, almost twice the number of payday lenders than there are McDonald's. So that is a lot. So I want you guys to be aware of payday loans. So you'll start by watching these 3 videos. Again, they're all short. And then you have a few questions to answer, like what is a payday loan, how is it different from a personal loan, etc. I want to point out question E. So if you click on this link, it takes you to people, real people, so each name in bold is a different person of somebody who took out payday loans and what happened. So I wanted you to read about 5 little stories, and they're very short, and then do a little reflection. What thoughts came up for you after reading these people's stories? So if you can finish the assignment by Wednesday, that'll give me enough time to give you some feedback, and I will return it back to you with some comments. All right, thank you guys.